Welcome back. I am N.S. Lavanya, Assistant Professor, Department of English, KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. In this video, you are going to learn a brief summary of Prophet's Hair, written by Salman Rushdie. Before that, a brief introduction about the author. Salman Rushdie is an author, novelist, essayist, and a critic. He is famous for his magic realism, which blends myth and fantasy in a world of reality, a literary genre in which magical elements are induced in a realistic setting. Character list of the story. Hashim, the protagonist. Atta, son of Hashim. Huma, the daughter of Hashim. Sheikh Sin, he is the thief of thieves. His blind wife and his 4 sons. Now, have a look at the summary. Introduction. The Prophet's hair is based on a story of the theft of the Prophet Muhammad's hair. Whoever comes to contact with this relic face miraculous or disastrous events. The story takes place in Srinagar during a fierce winter. Hashim, a money lender, comes upon a glass jar. It contains a stand of silver hair from the Prophet Muhammad. He knows it was stolen only one day prior from the Hazrat Bal Mosque. Hashim has to take an important decision now. He must return the hair to the mosque. This is the right thing he has to do. Being a collector himself, he wants to keep the hair. Hashim convinces himself. By doing so, he is a loyal servant to the Prophet. He becomes violent and insults his own family. He tells his wife that their marriage had been the worst of his afflictions. He admits his adultery with hired women. He insults his son and disowns his daughter. He must do something before he loses his family completely. Hashim is blinded by his greed. The curse had been put on him by the artifact. Atta, Hashim's son, attempts to steal the hair. He wants to see his father back to normal. His attempts end in vain as he loses the jar through a hole in his pocket. Hashim finds it once again and is outraged. He turns to Huma to tell him what happened. Huma is left with only one option. She has to seek the help from the thief. She hires a sheikh, the thief of thieves, to steal the jar from her father. Sheikh had become a pickpocket after a gambling addiction. He had 4 sick children, so he looks for a lifelong income. He decides to steal. On the night of the burglary, everything turns out very badly. Hashim's family is totally collapsed. The death of Atta, Huma, and the suicide of Hashim. Sheikh was caught by the police and the jar was found in his pocket. It was returned to its resting place. The jar has caused much trouble for Hashim and his family. But things are totally different in Sheikh's family. It has brought a miracle to the Sheikh's family. His children are healed, but they are upset because they can no longer beg. His wife is blessed with eyesight. That's the end of the story. Let's see a theme. The theme of the story is money and religion. How it affects people. An obsessive object that can influence people. Writer uses the character and the hair to effectively convey this theme. Characters depict money and hypocrisy is entirely encompassed all the characters. Money and religion are satirized in this story. Thanks for watching this video. We meet again in the next video with another interesting topic.